Hi guys, so today we will write a Java program to print elements of a Fibonacci series. We'll get the output like this. After we ran the program, after Java C, after compilation, and if we enter like number of elements is 10, we will get 10 elements, and after we write 20, then we will get 20 elements of the Fibonacci series. And for that, I have written the code in the notepad only at the back of this command prompt, and we will write that down in this video. So I will explain each and every line. So let us go ahead. This is the Fibonacci series that we got. So first of all, let us go to the new text document and we will save it as .java, whatever file name you like. So first of all, let us write the comment, that is Java program to print elements of a Fibonacci series. And then let us save it as Fibonacci.java, and I will write a public class Fibonacci, and we will write the code inside the public static void main inside that public class only. Also for the input I will use java.util.star. So first of all, let us save it as Fibonacci.java. Okay, so save now. First of all, I will import java.util.star because I will use scanner's instance as SC for the input of number of elements from the user. So public class Fibonacci only because we name the Java file as Fibonacci. Okay. So after this, I have to write the public static void main. So let us write it down. Public static void main and string args. And inside this, first of all, we will make instance of scanner. Then I will initialize the first and the second element as let us say A and B. And then in the for loop, I will initialize the third variable as C. So let us write it down. We have to take number of elements as input from user. So making instance of scanner class so that we can take the input. So scanner in capital S. So scanner sc equals to new scanner, and in the bracket I have to write system.in. So let us write it down, and S should be capital for scanner and for system.in also. Now I will initialize two variables as a and b, a equals to 0 and b equals to 1, because first two elements of the Fibonacci series are 0 and 1. We will enter the third element as c, and c would be equals to a plus b. So let us first of all print the a and b part. So for that I will write enter number of elements you want in Fibonacci series. So enter number of elements you want in Fibonacci series, and then I will get the input in, let us say variable name as n only. So int n equals to sc, the instance of scanner, dot next int, means it's gonna be converted into an integer value and stored in the variable n. Because I in the for loop I will write from I equals to 0 and I less than n. So this would be equal to number of elements, that is value stored in variable n would be the number of elements. Number of elements equals to the value which is stored in variable n. Okay. Now I have to like give the instruction as Fibonacci series, and ahead it's printed. So I will write system.out.println and Fibonacci series inside it. So let us copy paste from above. So /n for new line and Fibonacci series colon, and let us say /n so that the series would be printed on the new lines. Now system.out.println for a and b, we will write that down later. First of all, I will write initialize I as 0, and it will go till less than n and I plus plus. And if we were supposed to write I as 1, then it would go to I less than equal to n. Because from here or there, we just have to go till the number of elements that the user has entered. So int c would be equal to a plus b, and we will print the C variable. So let us say int C equals to a plus b, and before that let us print the C variable. I will first of all print the space over here so that the element would be printed with spaces and then plus C, because C would be containing the summation of a plus b, and before that let us print the a and b above. So space, that has to be printed on the screen, plus a, the value of a variable, plus space again, and then value of b variable. Means first two elements are printed above only. Now I will declare another variable as c, which would be containing the a plus b value. So let us print the c over here first, and then I will have to declare it and initialize it earlier than this statement. So let us write it above. That is int c would be equal to a plus b. So let us write it down, a plus b. And after this iteration, what we have to do is we have to swap the numbers. So a would be equal to b and b would be equal to c. Means for the next element, the previous two would be the a and b. Okay, so now the program is finished. Let us run this in the command prompt now. So I will go to the file location because I have to change the directory. So cd slash for the root. Now change directory as code journal and then Java programs, and inside it I will compile the Java file Fibonacci.java. So let us compile this. So Java C Fibonacci.java. Okay. So I forgot to write the semicolon after b equals to c. So here it is. So let us compile it again. Now it shouldn't give me an error. Okay, let us go ahead. Okay, so no errors. Let us run this now by using Java and then file name of the program. Now enter number of elements you want in Fibonacci series. I have entered 10. So Fibonacci series was 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 and 1 was printed on the same line. So in place of space, I will write /n over here so that the b value, that is 1, would be printed on the new line like the other preceding series. So let us run this. So first of all, I will compile it again. So Java C Fibonacci.java. Now I will run the program, that is Java space file name. So let us write 10 only. So here it is. We got the Fibonacci series as 0, 1, that is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So now we enter 20. So we got the output, that is number of elements as 20 in the Fibonacci series. You can see we got the output over here. We entered the input of num above, that is 20, and got the output as we desired. So here was a small Java program to print the number of elements of Fibonacci series, and we got the input from the user only. Now you can take a screenshot of the program. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below if you want me to make a video on a particular program or topic, and I will make a video on that for sure from scratch, and I will explain it line by line also. So comment down below those queries you have, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.